Start with intent. Focus in. Precision lives here. 1500 watts of peak power, designed to perform. Oof! No fuel, no compromise. Every move measured. Real-time data right where you need it. Display flicker is a camera issue. Let performance speak. Built for the climb, built for the descent. This is electric traction. Free shipping, 2-year warranty, no shortcuts. Available at 100 plus euros across the US. Get yours today.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Welcome back, or welcome. As you can see, Jordy's car is on the lift, and that's because he's getting a new handbrake. I'm also going to be attending the DK Ladies League tomorrow. Not driving, unfortunately, but I will be vending my first ever booth. Super exciting.
All right, Kai, what do we do first?
We're taking off the caliper.
You always say you're really good with brakes, so. Ta-da! There's too much tension on the cable, so I'm gonna loosen the bolts all the way.
Okay, time to do the other side.
Alright, now hit it the other way. Let a man get in there.
Nice.
Remember how we're like, oh man, something that sounds really loose in your car. It's the oil. What an idiot.
Buy old e-brake. We skipped a step. We went higher in 2 ways.
You did.
I believe Jordy's just removing the rest of the e-brake.
E-brake assembly. Look at Austin's feet.
Austin, wiggle your toes. Nice gloves.
And yes, for anyone saying this guy doesn't know what he's doing, I have no idea. I don't care.
We need I don't care on a shirt.
Yeah, I do need that.
I don't care E36. Oh no, you want to do things right?
In this instant, yes. Taking out the cables from the front.
How's it going?
Better now.
What is it?
E-brake cable.
Nice. Sorry, I couldn't pay attention. Wow, you guys are twinning.
This is ridiculous. I'm just cutting it.
You're so bright. So, as we're taking out Jordy's e-brake, we're replacing it with
the new handbrake.
Chase from Chase Bays. All right, what are you up to now?
We're getting crafty. We're gonna try and remake this so we can weld this to the chassis, I think.
Wow, that's crazy.
That's a little sus.
That's crazy.
God forbid a man
eats.
eats.
I got friends like you.
Obviously bend this tab, dude. Don't let her bother you.
I'll probably just like.
Fat man spoon.
Banana man. So Jordy's just gonna clean up the bracket and bend it so we can finish the rest on Sunday, because tomorrow, like I said earlier, we're going to the DK Ladies League. I'm gonna be vending my first ever booth. We packed up the Sequoia. See you guys there tomorrow. Good morning, Thompson Speedway, aka DK Ladies League. We're here. I'm a little late. They already started drifting. It's okay. I'm gonna go get set up. We'll see where I'm gonna set up. I'm so excited to see everyone.
We've never been here for an actual event other than a Lock City event. But like, some of these cars are cool.
Next to the DK Ladies League, they're also doing a spec.
Some type of spec race, but that thing's cool.
I'm so confused on where we're supposed to go. Hey!
Dude, you're doing it wrong.
And we're here. As you guys can see, this is not my garage. We had to make a little side trip this morning for Austin, but that's for another time. Got my big, strong man hands. We're almost all set up. Sticking the stickers so you can see them. Ta-da!
Welcome to my store.
Jordy's got his visors on.
Yeah, I got my alien goggles.
The best seat in the house. I get to see all the girls on the track. There's Jess's E30. Let's go, Brittany. Swing that bitch. Jordy's my booth girl today.
Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm on payroll though.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you came out of nowhere.
I'm hiding so she doesn't see.
I don't even know how I didn't notice. Like,
That means my hiding's working. Jordy was kind enough to get us all lunch.
Ladies' Day, gotta treat the girls right.
Oh, V2. Is it?
I never did a fit check. All the girls are out today. Just did a quick outfit change so I can hop in the car with Brittany. Your interior is so cute.
oh, thank you.
I love these seats.
Thank you. They were a birthday present or a Mother's Day present. I can't remember. Check out my pink stitching.
Oh, I need some of that. They changed the layout and it's gonna be Brittany's first time doing it, but you're gonna feel it regardless.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be fun.
Do it again right now.
Right now?
Right now.
Okay.
Good job, Britt.
I'm gonna cry right now. Brittany linked the out of it the last time, so I'm gonna get it on video this time. Let's go, baby! Girls are really on one today. On them all. Just got super windy out of nowhere. Of course, I didn't record the last run, but Brittany did so good. Yay! And we're back. How's business, Jordy?
Pretty booming. Yeah, boom. Oh, the town was gonna blow away.
There you go, Jess. We might get a thunderstorm, so Jordy's gonna pack up for me. Such a good worker.
Wait, we're getting paid?
No. Jordy got 20 bucks. That's all he's getting.
We're just here for eye candy.
The models.
Look at that. Look at these. I busted.
Hot dogs are legs.
Just got news that Front Street won. Hell yeah. All right, as you guys can see, we barely just made it. Girls say great success. Girls did amazing. Merch did amazing. I still can't believe I had my first ever merch booth. That's insane to me. Honestly, watching everyone out on track was super inspiring. It pushes me to try even harder. I can't wait. We gotta drive home and head back to the shop, so see you then. And we're back. I'm gonna let Jordy take over this part of the video because he knows more about what's going on than I do. So if you don't hear me in the background, that's why.
All right, well, while we were gone, Spoon welded on the little bracket we needed. So these holes mount to chassis, and then these three on this plate mount to handbrake. So then it's not welded on permanently, take it off and on, nice and easy. Realistically, I could have just done the same with these three, but I had to weld to the chassis. Didn't want to do that, because then I got to take a bunch of shit out on the inside, the whole ordeal. So we did it this way, it'll still work just as good. Yes, they make a bracket for the handbrake. It just wasn't in stock and didn't want to wait. But Chase, we still love you, and your hair is still better than everybody else's. So let's bolt this in and see how it works. We got it bolted in. I hope the time lapse worked. If not, I'm sorry. But yeah, so let's put the handbrake on the plate and make sure it lines up exactly where we want it. Handbrake is mocked. Well, in place, I guess you could say. Man. Yeah, it's sick. Now we got to run the lines. I don't know how to do that, so I got to learn and figure it out. So we got everything laid out in our little diagram, I guess. Handbrake side all the way to a T. T goes to 2 bulkheads, and then each line goes to the caliper. The front, I have no idea how it works. I have to do research for sure. I know it taps ABS block, but I don't know where, because there's 2 different ports. I have no idea, so fingers crossed.
Why are the lights off?
Going home.
Okay. We'll be back tomorrow.
Day 2, and I won't lose my today.
Let's hope this is the last day.
That would be very nice.
That's a sick hat. Already did his homework this time.
Yeah, I did some 3 hours of Google searching last night. Front line. We got to find a place to run it through the firewall.
Fun.
This line is going to connect to this port in the back of the ABS block all the way down there. Yep, good shot. And goes to the handbrake with the banjo fitting.
Okay, now I'm a little scared. Jordy's gonna feed me the wire through. There it is. No, it's not big enough. I got it. Is that where it stops? I don't think it...
Long enough?
No, I don't think so. Okay, part 2. Oh, 3 technically. Do good this time?
What a nightmare. I found it.
Hell yeah.
Thank God. This to here, this 90 to right there. Whoa. Oh.
Jordy's so over this. Full update. Jordy ran the wire all the way back. Now he's putting his seats back together. Right now, Jordy's just checking to see where the lines are gonna line up on the bottom to drill some more holes. That was too quick for me to even catch, guys. Sorry.
For this is a bulkhead. So this is gonna go like that. On the other side, this nut goes. This nut goes on. Those sandwiched together. And then our brake line
Just screws right in. And then that connects to the caliper.
Good job, Kai.
Checking to see if your hole's good.
My hole was good.
Boop. Plugged right in.
Big enough. God,
Oh, never
damn
mind.
it.
Never mind. I spoke too soon. I get to do the honors.
Nice.
The worst part, the brake fluid. I got a trash can. Jordy's hands look like that, so mine can look like too. Got one side connected! Yay!
We're almost there!
Halfway there! Halfway there. Good.
Doesn't fade. What do you guys do at home? I routed it good.
Yeah, front side's good.
Look with me, look with me. Comes out of our hole right there. Follows everything nice. Zip tie it right here. Keep everything tight. Comes up, hugs everything. I use the factory clip for the old fuel line right there. And then the brake line runs right up into the ABS module.
Nice. Proud of you.
Yeah, thanks. Let's hope this works.
The next day.
Us again. Last day doing this, I promise. We just need to bleed the brakes and show what it looks like in the car. Let's get to it. Last day, Jordan?
Man, I hope. Get up in there. No, dude, I'm pumping. This is your car.
Pumping up the jam?
Pump it up.
Jordy's doing crack.
No, don't say that.
Topping it off. We'll be back after this is bled.
After these short messages.
Race car Jordy on the move.
That was crazy. I don't even know what to say after you said that.
Why? It
was
was really crazy.
Super cringe.
Oh. Back to what we were saying. Handbrakes in. It looks so good. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. Tried my best, even though I had difficulties along the way. Anyway, my technical difficulties were for myself, not Chase from Chase Bays. Chase Bays provides the best product ever. But no, handbrake, super nice. All the lines, super nice. Everything worked how it should work. I'm just not super mechanically inclined. I'm coming to realize, and it's hard for me to do things sometimes. But that's not manufacturer's fault. That's my fault.
If you guys have been here for a while, then you remember that Jordy is a BMX guy. I kind of turned him into a car guy, so.
As most BMX guys and skateboard guys do when they realize that BMX and skateboarding really affects your body in a bad way.
But handbrakes in. DK Ladies League was a great success. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Yeah.